parang masakit sa bulsa, masakit sa ulo. Parang hindi okay para sa akin. And obviously, sa inyong lahat. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Alright, so let us proceed. Ang una nating query ay nanggaling kay Melchor. So, hi Melchor! Shout out sa'yo and thank you so much for dropping your comment dito sa ating YouTube channel. At ito ang tanong ni Melchor. Ma'am, safe din ba magpa-assist sa mga agent ng credit card na nakikita sa Facebook? Alright, so it is always our obligation or responsibility to identify the legitimacy of one person presenting himself or herself as an agent for the credit card application. So, kung minsan mahirap magtiwala kapag hindi mo kakilala because of course, he or she will be asking yung mga significant or important details or information about yourself. Kaya parang mahirap ipagkatiwala sa iba. Lalo na ngayon, marami na tayong mga scammers or those people engaged in fraud activities. Kaya para sa akin, okay din yung mag-apply ka na lang mismo sa bangko or doon sa official website ng mga bangko, pwede rin tayong mag-apply doon para wala na tayong agam-agam or doubts tungkol doon sa identity ng mga taong sinasabi nilang sila ay agents for credit card application. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko sa iyo, Melchor. And sana if you have time, go directly na lang to the bank or go to the official website of the certain bank kung saan mo gusto mag-apply ng credit card para mas official at saka mas safe yung information na ifo-forward mo sa kanila. Basta official website ng bangko. Alright, Melchor, so sana okay ka na dyan. And if you have other queries, you can still contact me dito. Mag-comment ka lang sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Melchor. Alright, another query na nanggaling naman kay Arvic C. So, hi Arvic C. Shout out sa'yo. Thank you so much for dropping your comment dito sa ating YouTube channel. At ang katanungan ni Arvic, sabi niya, magkano ang in-apply nyo na loan amount, ma'am? 92,000 din ba? Yun ang katanungan ni Arvic under my video, loan approved at East West Bank. Arvic, I think it was 95,000 yung unang loan ko with East West Bank hanggang sa kapag maganda kasi yung payment mo, nag-i-increase din naman yung pwede nilang ipa-loan sa'yo. So, at the moment, meron akong existing loan with East West Bank. Hindi talaga nahiyang magsabi na may loan. Bakit? Totoo naman kasi, di ba? At least honest ako. Alright, so ako din kasi katulad ninyo na naglo-loan din, nagka-cash advance din. And I think there's nothing wrong. At least, legal naman yung ginagawa natin, right? Okay, so at the moment, Arvic, meron akong 225 existing loan with East West Bank and patuloy akong nagbabayad ng aking loan monthly. Yon. So, mag-i-increase din naman. Even if you start with 92,000 pesos, if your payment is alright, walang problema, yung credit history mo, yung credit standing mo, napapanindigan mo, mataas ang credit score. Diyan na nagtatrabaho ang credit score. Because if you have high credit score, it will be very easy for the bank to grant you with a loan increase. Alright, so if you are applying or if you have applied for a loan kay East West Bank, Arvic, at 92,000 yung in-approve sa'yo, as you go along and okay yung payment mo, that will increase also. Alright, so thank you so much, Arvic, for that question. Nakakaloka ka, pabalik-balik ang sinasabi mo, iisang topic Alright, so when I read this one, hindi ko siya tinanggap as a bash or a negative criticism, but instead, I receive it as positive criticism. But gusto ko lang din mag-explain sa'yo, Rick, if a speaker repeats his statement, ibig sabihin, he is emphasizing or stressing one thing. Kapag speaker ka at importante yung topic mo, you wouldn't like your listener na makalimutan agad yung sinabi mo, especially if that is something you want them to note of or you want them to absorb. So, if you repeat a certain statement or paulit-ulit several times, it's not a negative thing. It is actually a positive one for the speaker because he or she is making sure na naiintindihan nating mabuti and you grab the most important information in a certain speech. Dito naman, since vlog ang ginagawa natin, video ang ginagawa natin, the same thing. Kapag po inuulit ko yung mga statements ko, I am emphasizing and stressing something very important na kailangan yung maintindihan at kailangan yung malaman at sana ma-absorb ninyo para pagdating ng panahon that you are in a certain situation, you can easily recall. So, yun po ang purpose kung minsan inuulit ng isang vlogger or speaker ang kanyang statement. So, sana nakita mo yun, Rick. But anyway, maraming salamat pa rin sa comment mo. Thank you. Alright, so eto naman ang isa pang comment, panlaban naman natin doon sa comment ni Rick. Okay, ang susunod nating comment nanggaling kay Raul. Thank you so much, Raul, for dropping your comment and thank you for dropping by as well dito sa ating YouTube channel. So eto naman ang comment ni Raul. Yes, napaka-formative, ma'am, ang inyong mga paliwanag. Na-amaze din po talaga ako. Parang gusto ko na ring mag-master installment card. Charot. God bless po. Pero maganda po ang idea nyo. Alright, so thank you naman sa iyo, Raul, for that compliment. And I received it sincerely in my heart doon sa comment mo, positive comment mo sa akin. And maraming salamat. Malaking bagay yung mga appreciations na nare-receive ng isang vlogger or isang content creator. Kasi syempre pinaghahandaan din po ang mga ito. Kahit ako minsan may mga negligence tayo, may shortcomings tayo kasi nobody is perfect. We can always be excellent but never perfect. Alright, but then still, si Raul was able to give me such appreciation at malaking bagay po sa akin ito. And hindi lang naman si Raul, marami sa inyo ang nagbibigay ng comment nila to appreciate my craft and the things that I do and my ideas as well, my advices as well. So thank you so much kay Raul at sa inyong lahat. Alright, so here comes another query na nanggaling naman kay Maureen. So Maureen, hi! Shout out sa'yo. Thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much for dropping by dito sa ating YouTube channel. And thank you so much for dropping your comment as well. So eto naman ang katanungan ni Maureen. Hi ma'am, ask ko lang po about sa UB Platinum Rewards, pang grocery po ba? Hindi po pwedeng pangbayad ng bills. Alright, Maureen. So, according to my experience, pwedeng pambayad ng bills. Kasi, nasubukan ko ng bayaran yung aming bill sa PLDT. So, online, pwede. Kasi may option naman sa app kung saan pwede kang magbayad ng bills. So, yun, i-discover mo na lang sa app mo. I'd like to show you a little bit of how it is being located in the app. So, I'll try to attach a short video in here para makita mo kung saan natin matatagpuan yung option to pay our bills.
Tap the credit card in the app, then tap Pay. I have already paid my PLDT bill, but I will show you the proof of payment.
Okay, so yun na, Maureen. So I hope you'll be able to access that in your mobile app at itry mo na rin magbayad ng bills mo online. But pag sa tanggapan ng PLDT, hindi ko alam kung tatanggapin yung credit card payment kasi I haven't experienced. Ginagamit ko lang ang credit card to pay my bills online. Pero hindi ko pa nasubukang magbayad mismo sa tanggapan ng PLDT. Pero kapag online, okay siya. Alright, so here comes another query na nanggaling naman kay Zach. So, hi Zach. This is Zach TV. Hi Zach, shout out sa iyo and thank you for dropping by and for dropping your comment as well dito sa ating YouTube channel. At ang sabi naman ni Zach, pagbago pa ba ang security CC, di ba pwedeng mag-purchase and convert to installment? Once the credit card is activated, pwede na nating ma-access ang mga features which is included dito sa ating mga credit card. So, okay na siyang ma-access yung purchase and convert to installment, Zach. So, you just have to discover that. Kapag may mga queries ka or difficulty in using it, you can call the hotline of the bank or i-discover mo din sa website nila as well as sa mobile app mo. In short, pwede mo nang ma-access. Pwede na nating ma-access lahat ng features ng credit card basta na-activate na natin ito. Okay, another query na nanggaling naman kay Denesario. Denesario, shoutout sa'yo. Thank you for dropping by and dropping your comment as well. Ang tanong ni Denesario, I have been approved today and it's my first credit card. I have a question. Am I still available for the Union Bank Visa Rewards? Alright, pwede namang mag-apply pa ng isang credit card from the same bank. But ito lang ang kailangan nating i-take note na most of the bank, kapag dalawa ang credit card natin sa kanila, usually shared ang credit limit. So, kapag ang dalawang credit card na nasa iyo ay parehong may annual fee, parang lugi ka ata. Alright, kasi you are paying annual fees for both credit card, pero shared lang ang credit limit. Not unless yung isang credit card mo may separate na credit limit. Kasi some banks offer another credit limit for the second credit card na a-applyan mo. Ang nag-o-offer ng ganyan is si Metro Bank. Kahit magbayad ka na ng AF. Pero mas maganda kapag halimbawa man na hindi nagbibigay ng separate credit limit and you still want to apply for another credit card of the same bank, mas mabuti na yung pangalawang credit card na a-applyan natin ay 0 or no annual fee for life. Para hindi additional burden or sakit sa ulo sa'yo na dalawa yung binabayaran mong annual fee dahil dalawa yung credit card mo pero separate yung credit limit. Parang masakit sa bulsa, masakit sa ulo. Parang hindi okay para sa akin. And obviously, sa inyong lahat. Of course, you wouldn't like to pay 2 annual fees for both credit cards pero shared ang credit limit, di ba? Alright, so before we end, gusto ko lamang pong sabihin sa inyo na sa mga comments ninyo, please try to make it clear. Hindi baling 50 words or 30 or 50 words yung nandun sa comment mo, basta lang maliwanag. Kasi may mga comments po kasi akong nababasa na hindi ko talaga gets. Oh my goodness, paano kasi hindi naman ako AI? So, you have to be passionate and enthusiastic also in writing your comment. Hindi baling maging 30 words yan, hindi baling medyo mahaba. Okay lang naman sa akin magbasa. Pero kayo, kung ayaw nyo mag-type ng mahaba. Pero, para mabigyan ko naman ng tamang kasagutan, dapat po ay klaro yung mga comments ninyo. Ang importante doon, nakukuha ko yung thought. Meron kasi akong nababasang mga comments na hindi talaga maliwanag. So, pasensya na ho. Kaya wala akong magawa doon sa mga comments na yon. So, kung ikaw man yun halimbawa, so, at tingin mo parang incomplete yung info na na-drop mo sa comment section, baguhin mo na lang. Or kung hindi mo ma-edit, mag-comment ka na lang ulit. Para pag nabasa ko at naintindihan ko talaga ng maigi, sasagutin ko naman. And as much as the time is available also, kasi busy din po ako, I am a government employee. So, kailangan po ay talagang I have to use my time properly. So, sana hindi ako mag-consume ng oras, pabalik-balik dun sa mga comments na hindi ko maintindihan. Kasi I spend too much time to understand, pero may mga comment talaga na hindi ko maintindihan. So, please be passionate in writing your comments. Di baling, sabi ko na, uulitin ko na naman, di baling medyo mahaba, babasahin ko pa rin yan. Importante, maintindihan ko siya para masagot ko kayo ng tama. Di ba? Alright, so there you go. Maraming salamat po sa panonood once again. And receive my gratitude from the bottom of my heart. Salamat din sa mga nag-subscribe lately at sa mga patuloy na nanonood and nagtitiwala sa mga kasagutang binibigay ko sa inyo, whether in comment or in video. Maraming salamat. And please continue to share our videos, lalong-lalo na sa mga kaibigan natin. Baka kailangan din nila ng kasagutan or ng tulong one way or the other. I hope our videos can help them as well. So, once again, salamat. And remember always na kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!